Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to edit footer. To edit footer, you can go to insert and then click on footer, click edit footer. To add page number, you can use these options, page number, click on bottom of page. Like as example, I will use this bold number 3. You can click and it will create the page with the number. If you want to set only the number, you can delete. You can select this option, press delete button, and then go back into page number, click bottom of page, and we can use plain number 3. So this is only the number. To close from this footer, you can click these icons, close header and footer. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to edit footer. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.